Guess what came in the mail today? Alright, I'm already out of breath. So today I received my diesel heater for the van. So let's unbox it together. Let's unbox it better. Let's see if I'm strong enough. Alright, it's standing on... Oh, there you go. Oh, I thought it was just standing on this, but there's something in here. I thought this extended. Maybe it does not. Let me put this all in front of you. This one. Yeah, that one, probably for the exhaust. This one is most likely where the hot air comes from. That's for the exhaust. Goes at the bottom. This is probably the air intake. Also goes at the bottom. Put that here. This is a bunch of these little clamp thingies. And I believe this is the air intake filter, so that bugs and mice don't end up in your system. And the muffler. I think that's it. Now let's move this all to the side. So I can, so we can get a better look. Here it is from the front, or from the side. I think, let me climb this table. Yeah. So you can see it has this little meter of how much is left in the tank is also on this side, so it doesn't really matter if that bothers you. It's on both sides. It says less than 20% add diesel. 20% is that one. Really? All right. On this side we have your negative and your positive. I don't have my AC to DC converter yet. That's what I'm going to need to connect these two, because I'm not going to connect this straight to a battery. What else can I show you? I don't know, the front, I guess. The side of the unit is essentially the same as the other side. Here's the front of the unit. This is where the warm air is going to come out of to heat up your area. Here's the little remote control. And right here is the little control screen. I'll show you the back. Here we have the very back. The very back where those same cables that I just showed you go. And right here, I don't know if you can see that very well. There you go. This is where the intake of the air goes. So the air comes in here, goes through the unit, and then it comes out from the front. Cool. Hey everyone. So I finally got my AC to DC converter, and as you can see, I already have it all set up here and ready to go outside and test out the diesel heater. So I'll meet you outside. As you can see on startup, my Blue Eddy says that it goes up to 300 watts, which is quite a bit higher than what I saw people online saying, but that's just what mine says. And then it kind of tapers off here in the 80s. In a little bit, I'm going to change the settings. I'm going to put it on the lowest, which is what you see right here. And in the lowest, it goes anywhere between 30 to 40, 45, which is not that bad. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.